Today, I'm going to show you how to effectively use Google Tasks to manage your team. If you're looking for a simple but powerful system to organize work, track progress, and keep everyone moving in the same direction, Google Tasks is an excellent tool. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to set up tasks, assign them to team members, and keep your workflow organized in a way that feels natural and easy to maintain. Start by opening Google Chat. This is the central space where your team communicates, collaborates, and shares updates. Managing tasks inside the same workspace helps everyone stay aligned without switching between apps. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so all features and permissions load correctly. Once you're in your chat space, look for the Tasks option in the menu. It's usually represented by a small checkmark icon. When you click on it, Google Tasks will open along the right side, giving you a focus space to create, view, and manage everything your team needs to get done. This is your task hub and the foundation of your workflow. Now, let's add your first task. Click the Add Task button. A new task window will appear, ready for you to enter the main information. Begin by typing a clear title. Keep it short but meaningful so any team member can instantly understand what the task is about. A well-written title allows your team to scan the list quickly and stay organized without confusion. After entering the title, move to the Details section. This is where you can expand on the task with helpful notes and expectations. The more clarity you provide, the smoother your team will work. Adding instructions, links, reference points, or specific requirements reduces back and forth conversations and ensures the work gets completed exactly the way you need. Next, schedule the task by selecting a date and time. Adding deadlines increases accountability and allows teammates to prioritize their workload. When a task has a clear timeline, it becomes easier to manage progress, coordinate with others, and understand what needs immediate attention. The final step is assigning the task. Click Assign and choose the person responsible. Assigning tasks directly inside Google Chat keeps everyone updated in real time and ensures the right work goes to the right people. If you're managing multiple team members with different strengths and workloads, this step helps distribute responsibilities more efficiently. Once everything is set, the task will appear in your shared list. As work progresses, team members can mark tasks complete, update details, or reassign responsibilities if needed. Over time, this creates a smooth, transparent workflow where everyone understands what they're working on and what's coming next. And that's how you use Google Tasks to manage your team more effectively. With organized task lists, clear deadlines, and proper assignments, your team can work with more confidence and consistency. Whether you're handling small daily tasks or managing an entire project, Google Tasks helps keep everything structured and easy to follow. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you streamline your workflow and make your team's collaboration easier and more productive.